What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the PlayStation 4 error. The PlayStation 4 error is how to fix the PlayStation 4 error WS-45480-1. It's a redeem code error. You trying to add your redeem codes or gift codes and you get the error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. You just go to the Play Store and go to the redeem codes. Here in the last and the bottom, you have a redeem code or vouchers. I'm just adding a random redeem code or a gift code. Then you just add the redeem code and press OK, continue. And here you get the error. You must check your region first. You go to the settings, account information, and then go to the address. Here we go to the address, profile address, and you just check which region you have on your PSN account. If you have UK, you must have a UK redeem codes, and if you have a American region, then you must have a US redeem code. If you have a Turkey, you must buy a Turkey gift codes or redeem codes, or you have a Middle East, you must have a Middle East gift code and then add it. It will be work. You must have the same region and the same region gift card. And if you have a different, then you just make a PSN account, new one, and that's how you can fix this. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. And I hope so found my video helpful for you. And if you need any help, then just watch my videos and see you soon for the next one.